Today we'll be starting a new poem, On the Move by Tom Gunn. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the poet. Now, Tom Gunn was a British poet and his original name was Thomson William Gunn. His verses are noticeable for their adroit, terse language and counterculture theme. Now, adroit here means that something which is clever and skillful. Terse means abrupt. The language is abrupt. And counterculture means the values and norms that differ those from modern society. So generally his themes are of counterculture. On the Move, actually, the title of the poem itself indicates the celebration of black jacketed motorcyclists from the first volume of Gunn, Fighting Terms. And it is one of the best known poems of Tom Gunn. Now, this poem is written in 5 stanzas, and well, the poet starts the poem on the move, man, you gotta go. That is the complete title of the poem. So these intended words describe the lifestyle of motorbikers, gangs of 1950s, who are byproducts of altering civilizations and inventions, which were spurted in the given period. Quite infamous with their behavior in the United States and Great Britain, Tom Gunn provides a description of the lifestyle of these gangs, providing an apt message to the readers. So, with the poem, you can already have an idea and indication of what exactly Tom Gunn talks about the motorbikers. Now, let's come to the text of the poem. That's the first stanza. The blue jay scuffling in the bushes follows some hidden purpose and the gust of birds that spurts across the fields. The wheeling swallows has nested in the trees and undergrowth, seeking their instinct or their poise or both. One moves with an uncertain violence under the dust thrown by a baffled sense or the dull thunder of approximate words. Now, the first stanza, Gunn compares the gangs of human beings, particularly with birds. The blue jay, which scuffles in the bushes, has some hidden need in doing so. The group of birds, those are flying across the field, has some intentions. The swallows have their nests in trees and low level bushes. Each and every bird has been guided by instinct or according to their need and purpose. Now he tries to bring these gangs into the poetry, recommending one moves with uncertain violence, suggesting that one is going very speedily on one's bike, raging violence as a result leading to accidents. So the motorcyclist here in the first stanza is driving crazy as he's awfully baffled. The dust is raised and fallen on him itself. So here the poet provides a contrasting nature of human soul with the birds, and the passion for speed has been highlighted upon. The birds, while undisturbed by humanity, are in harmony with their environment. Humans are out of tune with themselves and their surroundings. So, this is what message he gives in the first stanza of the poem, that he's comparing the bikers with the birds, and he's saying what kind of message the human beings are giving to society, and the message, what kind of message the birds are giving to society. So here we have an animal imagery as well as, of course, the human imagery. So this is the comparison. So this is what is in the first stanza. We'll continue with the rest of the poem and with the second stanza in the next class. Thank you.